Welcome back, everybody. My name is Al. I do how-to videos, tool reviews, and tips. Today we're doing shutters on a stucco house. It's not a synthetic stucco, but it's not a complete stucco job. It feels like it's about 3/4 of an inch. So unfortunately we have to use a masonry bit. Today I'm using a 1/4 inch Bosch. It has a 1/4 inch drive, so it fits in your impact drills. I found these bits at Home Depot. They're anywhere between $4 to $6. They're pretty nice. I find most cinder block and light masonry work, the impact drill does fine. Today I'm using the Milwaukee Fuel 12-volt impact drill with the 6 amp hour battery I got on Father's Day sale at the depot. It's been working really good. I actually killed the battery on this job on the last few shutters. I've been using it all week and it's been working pretty good. Right here, I'm drilling through the stucco and into the studs around the window. You need about 3 1/4 inches is what the instructions said for a 3-inch peg. I like to set it in the middle, tag my hole in there, quick put a plug in before it jiggles around, set the plug by hand, and then finish it off with my hammer. You also have to remember you don't want to really kill this. Vinyl on these shutters, they hang. We're using the plastic plugs that have been around for God knows how long. 25 years ago when I was a young man, I did a lot of this with vinyl siding. And I used them then, and they worked great then. They still work great now, especially on this stucco sheeted wall. For some reason, it seemed like every other shutter I was hitting another stud on the outer edge, which was kind of frustrating. But I like to center up my shutters and install them. Excuse me. Unfortunately, I didn't have the luxury of doing that. I had to follow somebody else's work. Um, they misordered the wrong size. I had to come in after the fact and mimic the other guy's work. So, which wasn't really that big of a problem to me. Not speeding or editing the footage here. Basically, what you're seeing is pre-drilled shutters. We marked and drilled them all, laid them out near the window that they need to go up. So that was quite a bit of time spent prepping these shutters. But you could see from start to finish with a ladder up, shutters ready to go. It's a 8-minute video. So this is kind of what you'd expect. You're looking at about 10 minutes shutter setup on a first floor application that I could hit both shutters from one ladder setup. Having a comfortable drill with a decent belt clip's nice. You need a nice sized pocket or pouch to hold your pegs. I'm putting in 6 pegs per panel. These are pretty big panels. Big or small, I tend to put the 6 in anyway. The impact drill and Bosch masonry bit / hammer drill combo seem to work out pretty good. While I'm not a big Milwaukee fan, it did work great. If you're a big fan of red and black and you like seeing light masonry applications, VCG Construction, great channel. For me personally and my crew, we're yellow and black, the wall all the way. We're team yellow and black, baby. It served us well throughout the years. I have run into some issues with their flexible batteries down and out. I've been a little disappointed with that. Hopefully they could turn that around. But as you can see, just take your time, get your first hole started. A lot of times I start in the top corner closest to the window, set my plug, then work from there. Always being mindful to keep your shutter closer towards the window. Um, you don't want no weird gaps. The plugs, it's best to drill straight in, but there's quite a bit of flexibility in play on them too. Also, when you're using one plug to set the shutter, if you have pretty heavy ones, you might be setting one and then readjusting the shutter a little bit higher for the second plug, which will hold the weight up there. That's pretty much all I have to say about this. It's a pretty easy setup. You'll get a close-up look here in a moment if you want. If you made it this far through the video, thank you. I appreciate it. I thought this might be an interesting job that some people might find intimidating. It's really not. If you're just going into any other wooden or vinyl siding, aluminum siding, just use a 1/4 inch bit. Doesn't have to be a masonry bit. It could be a metal or wood bit. A lot of these shutters also come with wood screws that are color matched. So if you have wood behind your, if you have wooden siding, you can go right through the vinyl siding and attach the wood sheeting behind the wall. Even better yet,